Hello everyone. Today I will present about AI and chemistry. What comes to your mind when you imagine chemistry? Maybe you can imagine complicated structures or chemical reactions. Since I am studying chemistry, especially the structures of molecules, I was curious about how we know this or how can we know these materials read like this. Even many students in classroom detest chemistry. All of us know that electrons and protons consist of atoms and molecules. And there are complex interactions between them. Our chemistry teacher, Mr. Won, explained to us that all energy diagrams related with atoms or molecules like this are calculated by computers. Also, he introduced an unfamiliar part of chemistry, computational chemistry, which is sort of doing this stuff with computer with high performance. So I searched about several examples related with AI. The only thing that AI can do is just calculating with colossal amount of database. So I searched some examples and I will present about it. First, scientists train the electron states and behaviors to AI and let them calculate the energy for breaking of chemical bonds. In the past, it was almost impossible to control many particles. However, they were able to calculate them and they showed very high accuracy in molecules like water or ammonia. Next, scientists are planning to predict chemical reactions with AI. Previous software was based on density function theory, coupled cluster theory, or molar placid perturbation theory, but they were inaccurate and took a long time or demanded high computer power. But new machine learning algorithm focused in characteristic or molecular orbital, which is an electron cloud around the molecules. So they can predict how reaction proceed. And they are looking forward to making use of this technology on finding better catalysts or new drug development. And they can add reaction condition like catalyst, temperature, or pH. Finally, scientists will design or find functional molecules using AI. They entered about 13,000 of molecules, organic molecules information, and all of their law or theory of them. And in functional molecules, light absorption is especially important, so they will use this function. They succeeded in designing molecules that absorb light that they want. We can realize that all these processes take the process of let AI calculate and learn theories or database, then they calculate or carry out their missions. Then will scientists lose their jobs? In my opinion, their role from now is studying and developing optimal theories for AI technology. Since I prepared this presentation, I regret my first year in this school that studies computer science carelessly, and I hope you to think about scientists' role in future that AI works hard on every field of science. Thank you for listening.